mistress which I serve quickens what's dead, and makes my labors pleasures. Oh, she is 10 times more gentle than her father's crab, and he's composed of harshness. I must remove thousands of these logs, and pile them upon a soaring junction. My sweet mistress weeps when she sees me work, and says such baseness had never like executor. I forget, but these sweet thoughts do even refresh my labors, most busiest when I do it.
Alas now, pray you, work not so hard. How would the lightning burn up these logs that you are enjoying to pile? Pray, set it down and rest you. This burns, 'twill weep for having wearied you. My father's heart steady, pray now, rest yourself.
O most dear mistress, the sun shall set before I discharge what I shall strive to do.
Sit down, I'll bear your logs the while. Pray, give me that, I'll carry it to the pile.
No, precious creature, I had rather crack my sinews, break my back, than you should such dishonor undergo, while I sit lazy by.
Me as well as it does you, and I should do it with much more ease, for my good will is to it, and yours is against.
Admired Miranda, for several virtues have I liked several women, never any with such full soul, but some defect in her did quarrel with the noblest grace she owed, and put it to the foil. But you, oh you, so perfect and so peerless, are created of every creature's best.
Jewel in my dower, would not wish any companion in the world but you, nor can imagination form a shape besides yourself to like of. Do you love me?
O heaven, O earth, bear witness to the sound, and crown what I profess with kind event if I speak true. If hollowly, invert what best is boded me to mischief. I beyond all limit of what else in the world do love, prize, honor you.
Oh, I'm a fool to weep of what I am glad of.
As I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer, who by his cunning hath cheated me of the island.
Thou liest.
Thou liest, thou jesting monkey, thou. I would my valiant master destroy thee. I do not lie.
Trinculo, if you trouble him any more in his tail, by this hand I will supplant some of your teeth.
Why? I said nothing.
More than and mum then and no more. Proceed.
I say by sorcery he got this isle. From me he got it. If thy greatness will, revenge it on him, for I know thou darest, but this thing dare not.
That's more certain.
Thou shalt be lord of it, and I'll serve thee.
How now shall this be compassed? Canst thou bring me to the party?
Yea, yea, my lord, I'll yield thee asleep, where thou mayst knock a nail into his head.
Thou liest. Thou canst not.
What a pied ninny is this? Thou scurvy patch, I do beseech thy greatness, give him blows and take his bottle from him. When that's gone, he shall drink naught but brine, for I'll show him where the quick freshes are.
Trinculo, run into no further dangers. Interrupt the monster one word further, and by this hand I'll turn my mercy out of doors and make a stockfish of thee.
Why? What did I? I did nothing. I'll go farther.